Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a review process about a very important project that is called Rebus. Right now we are on the official website. This is it, and you have all the buttons here that will help you to learn more about this project. You also have the white paper of the project here. This is the English version of it, and you also have the demo of the application of this project. And as you can see on the screen, you have the ICO to be live with 18% bonus to end in 4 days, 8 hours, 2 minutes and 56 seconds. And you have the soft cap here, which has been achieved with the hard cap to be here. Now, for investors interested in this project and you want to buy your token, here is what to do. Click here, and that will take you to a portal where you can buy your token. Let's wait for the page to load. This is what you have to do when the page comes up here. This is what you need to do. Put your name here. You put your email address here. Specify the amount of Ether you want to buy. Specify the amount of tokens you want to buy in Ether form. And the next thing you need to do is to upload a picture of your passport or a local government ID. Do that here. And the next thing you have to do is to upload a selfie of yourself holding your ID card. Yes. Then after you must have done that, you click here. You submit your form here. Submit your form here. And that will be all for you to buy the token. So let's go back to the review process. You have it here. Now you believe that every project that is offering ICO intends to solve a particular problem, and in this case this project intends to solve the problem associated with the banking sector. You know, actors of this project believe that there are lapses in the banking sector, and you have over 1.7 billion unbanked adults worldwide. So they believe that the software, the interface of the payment system we have now are not friendly users. Okay, they are not user friendly, and they are complicated. They're not easy to understand. So they decide to come up with a software, user friendly applications that can easily be used to buy, to sell, and to send and to receive digital currency. So that's basically what this project is offering. And they also have other plans, but basically that's what they are offering. You have the one paper here. You have the white paper which you can download to read, to learn more about this project. Now you believe with me that there are thousands of ICOs out there, so you have to look at them very carefully because most of them do not have a use case, and you believe with me that any project without a use case will definitely have no future. But in this case, this project have a genuine and a real use case. So you have the social medias social handles here which you can connect. You have the Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Bitcoin Talk Thread, Facebook, Medium, Reddit, and all of them you can connect with them by clicking on each of these buttons here. So this project seems to be very interesting at the moment. You have it here. Rebus, your next generation bank, wallet, and exchange. Yes, exchange is also included in their development. So the system, the ecosystem of this project looks all encompassing. okay, because it takes care of everything that a user will have to need. You have one of these very interesting feature to be a minimized volatility, which is taken care of by one of the application that they're developing, which is called the Ariel application. It has what is called the volatility shield, which of course reduce volatility of using cryptocurrency to the barest minimum. Here you have the video clip of this project. Clicking on it will play a clip about this project, okay? And you have it here, the Ariel app. Here you have all the features, very interesting features. You have all of them here. You have the private, it is private and secure. It is you have asset protection, cloud and local storage. You have ATAG authentication protocol, the review exchange integration. So you have all encompassing features, surrounding this platform. You have them all here. You have them all here. And one more thing that this project takes priority of is adoption. They believe that when the applications are developed in a simple form, that it will spur more adoption. People will tend to adopt it more easily than a complicated platform or a complicated application. So you have it here, the Ruby cryptocurrency. You have them all here. You can go over to this website and you can also read more information yourself. Here you have the initial coin offering of this project and you have the information here. The initial coin offering is starting on the 21st of August 2018. And you have the number of coins for sale, which is this. You have 210 million Ruby for sale, out of which 70% is allocated for ICO. And the token sale is slated to end on the 25th of September 2018 at 2 p.m. EST. And the coin is exchanging at a rate of 1 Ether to 7,000 Ruby. The accepted currency, just in case you want to buy the token, you have to buy with Ether. This is Ethereum. And the minimal transaction amount which you can buy is 0.05 Ether. Okay. That's a very nice one. You have the coin distribution of coins here. And you also have the use of proceed. That is how the collected coin or collected money will be used. You have them here. Okay, the Review platform, this is the exchange, will be given 25% allocation. The Ariel platform will receive 25% allocation. Legal and financial overhead will be allocated 5%. You have the branding and marketing 35%. Yes, very good, because you need it. And you also have reserve for unexpected costs. You have 10%, that's miscellaneous. You also have it here. Okay, the coin distribution. Okay, you have it here. 5% for bounty, 70% for ICO. You have 3% for advisors, 12% for company reserve, 10% for team. That is it for the allocation and distribution of the coin. Right, the roadmap is here, and the roadmap is very, very important. So let's look at some of the milestones that has been achieved so far by this team. Right, here you have it. In February, the Rubius was incorporated. Okay, and that has been done. You have the roadmap continued, created the Ariel UI mockup, that has been done. Okay, you also have recruited teams and wrote white paper, that has been done. Developed Ariel demo and MVP, that has also been done. And currently the project is at this stage. Reviews, fundraising, and ICO, after which the project will launch the Ariel and the Rebuke platform. So it's very interesting one there. So you have series of items mapped out to be done. Okay, so it's a very interesting project. If you ask me, you have a mission of the team here. Now, it may interest you to know that when it comes to team and leadership, it is very, very important. Investors believe that a team with, open identity can be, trusted, so you have the team and the leaders of this project. It is headed by Joseph Rubin, our CEO and lead developer. One important thing and one interesting thing here is that you can actually access the information. Okay, click on the link in, you access the information. Here is the Twitter account as well. You also have other leaders of the project, okay, other leaders that are backing up the project, and you also have the team members of this project. They are all here, and the informations can be accessed publicly. They are not hidden. You have all their informations here. You can access their information. These are all of them, the team that are ensuring, that are working to ensure success, of the project. And you also have the advisors with, relative expertise to ensure the success of this project. You have all of them there. Okay, and one important thing too is the partners. This project has also partnered with these organizations. You have them all here. You can click on them to learn more about them. Okay, most ICOs, most projects don't have partners, and that is to their disadvantage. But in this very case, you have partners here that you can access. Their informations are there for you to access, right? You also have the frequently asked questions. You can go over to this website and you can learn more about this frequently asked questions. You have it. What is Rubius Incorporation? Okay, you have them all here. You have them all here, and just in case you want to contact them, you also have it here. You can put your name, email, and then put your message here, pass your message across to them. You have them, the Twitter, their message here, the Telegram. Telegram is very important because it gives you direct access with the team. Okay, so that is it. You don't miss out, stay updated. You put your email address here and hit the subscribe button to stay informed of any updates. You also have the social handles here which you can connect with them, and you have their address just in case you want to locate them. They are located in Tampa, Florida in USA. That's it. So that's a review of this project. It looks promising with all the development and milestone that they have covered. But having said that, this video is intended for promotion and shouldn't be used as a financial advice. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned to my video for more interesting updates. Thank you.